Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing. Let's see what we got here. Let's cut this open real quick. Let's see. Oh, this is exciting. So the box is a little bit beat up, but I'm hoping that that won't matter. See there, it's all beat up. But this is the FSI6 remote here. It's 2.4 gigahertz, which is kind of like the standard these days. And let's see. This should be a pretty simple unboxing, I hope. Yes, there it is. A nice remote. And let's see. Just open up like this. That was easy. And you guys have seen this before because it came with the Novice 2 from eSheen. So I've already had one of these before. And as you can see here, it takes 4 AA batteries, I think that's what they call them, and comes with its own receiver, which you can plant onto any vehicle that you want, and hopefully it'll work. It's open here, I don't know why. Hopefully that doesn't mean that it's gonna have issues, I don't know. But yeah, there we have it, Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.